When you're traveling to Rome, you need to get along here in the city. And to do that, you need apps. So I figured today I'm going to give you 6 apps that you must have if you're coming to travel here in Rome. Those are 6 essential apps that if you come here, you have no idea you need them, but actually you do. Okay, so the first app I'm going to recommend to you is Trainline. Trainline is a train app which lets you basically buy tickets for trains throughout Italy. So let's say you just landed in Rome in Fiumicino Airport and you want to take the train inside the city. Now instead of standing like a tourist in those annoying ticket machines at the entrance to the train station, and searching for change and annoying stuff like that, you can download Trainline. Download the Trainline and you can immediately buy yourself a train ticket. So this is convenient for if you need a train, not a subway, but an actual train inside Rome from the airport to the city or from one point to the city to another point of the city. But also if you want to take a day trip outside of Rome or go outside of Rome for a night or 2 nights, this is your app, Trainline. It's super convenient, super easy, it's in English, and to me it's just great. I use it all the time. So recommendation number 1, Trainline. Okay, app number 2. This one is a secret. For some reason, they won't tell you, you won't find anywhere a place that, like a sign that tells you to download it, but it's super essential. It's called TicketAppy. And what TicketAppy does, it's the official app of the subway company. And it's so annoying to buy those paper tickets like we're in, what is it, like 1995? No, you need an app. But if you try to Google what app do I need to buy tickets for subway in Rome, it won't be that easy to find this app. For me it took some time until I discovered it. But once I did, traveling the subway became so much more convenient. It's called TicketAppy, A-P-P-Y, and from there you buy yourself tram tickets and bus tickets and metro tickets. So it's all in one app. Once you have this app, you don't need paper tickets here in Rome anymore. Now, when you go to the app, you will notice you have several types of tickets. The regular one is the BIT 100 ticket, so buy that one and buy several of those. By the way, when you go on a bus in Rome, if you bought the ticket and you punch the ticket in the app, you don't need to do anything. Only if a supervisor comes on the bus, you show him the QR code in the app. But otherwise you don't need to do anything, so it's fun. You just hop on a bus and off you go. And of course guys, I will put links down below for all the different apps that I'm recommending to you. So if you want to download the apps, check out the description down below. So you don't want to be like that, right? So I just go to the app, I choose AB, and then I get a QR code. I scan the QR code and in I go. Super easy, no annoying ticket machines. Okay, now for the third app. The third app that I'm going to recommend to you is called Moovit. You might know it. It's pretty famous. It allows you to navigate with public transportation throughout the city. Now you might ask me, but what about Google Maps? Well, Google Maps, it's very convenient, but unfortunately, at least when it comes to Rome public transportation, it's not very accurate, so you can't really rely on it. In my opinion, Moovit is way more reliable. So you download Moovit, you write where you are, where you're gonna go, and it tells you the best options that you have, including tram, bus, metro, and combinations between the three. So Moovit, for me, the best public transportation app here in Rome. Now, let's say you're in Rome, you checked into your hotel or your Airbnb, and you want to eat something, and you're feeling tired and you don't want to leave your apartment and find some tourist traps. You just want to lay low, chill at home with Netflix and have dinner. So you need an app. I recommend Deliveroo. Deliveroo, it's pretty famous here in Europe. I mean, there are other apps here, but Deliveroo, I think it's the best one. And there you have a variety of restaurants from all kinds, like all the fast food restaurants, Italian restaurants, Asian restaurants, everything. There's everything there. It's super fast, super convenient, super reliable. And yeah, I use it all the time when I feel lazy and you want to order food to your place. Deliveroo, to me, the best food app here in Rome. So many people. Wow. Okay, number 5, actually, those are 2 apps, Flixbus and Itabus. And basically, they provide you bus services out of town. But they're super, super cool because you can book very cheap bus rides from Rome to almost any point in Italy and even in Europe. So, and sometimes if you book ahead and you find the right ride, the prices are just ridiculous. So I recently went to Venice for a night trip with Itabus and it cost me 40 euros go and return. And sometimes you have even cheaper, you can find even cheaper rides for so many places. So if you want to go out of town for a night or two, sometimes the train is too expensive, right? So you need an alternative. And those 2 companies, Flixbus and Itabus, provide you amazing alternatives. So you just, let's say you have a free day, you hop into the app, you check out like cheap destinations, and off you go from Rome to Milan, to Venice, to Napoli, for very, very, very cheap prices. To me, it's awesome. So I highly recommend those 2 apps, Flixbus and Itabus. Wow. It's pretty nice. Okay, lastly, taxis. Taxis in Rome, unfortunately, are pretty expensive. You don't have UberX here in Rome, unfortunately. So what it means is you gotta pay for a taxi, but at least you have taxi apps. So you have Uber, of course, and also there's another app that's called FreeNow, which I think is the most popular taxi app here in Rome. So number 6, Uber, of course, and FreeNow, apps that will help you if you are in need for a taxi for some reason. Okay guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked my 6 app recommendations. Let me know down in the comments if I forgot anything, if there's something you'd like me to research. If you have app suggestions, leave a comment down below. Again, links to all the apps mentioned in this video are down in the comments below. I hope you find it useful and enjoy your next trip to Rome.